Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find the option Digital Wellbeing. So here we've got the graph that will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So as you can see, in my case, it's 3 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. Not 3, but 6 minutes. We can tap on it, and we will be transferred to the graph, which is divided into 3 categories. So the unlocks, notifications, and total screen time. You can of course tap on the specific day and check other details. You can compare them. You can tap on show categories or show apps. It's up to you how you want to check it. And here you've got also the days that you can tap on. So basically this is how it works. You can tap on view all under each of the graphs, and for example here in the screen time you can check the total list of apps that are installed and the time you've spent on them, which is great. You can of course, if you want, to tap on the specific app, for example the camera, and you will be transferred to the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. So you've got the weekly and daily view. You can check how much time you're spending on this specific app and in which parts of the day. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.